Hello everyone, friends on the channel. Today I will show you how to download install GTA 5 RP. Here, accordingly, how to start playing GTA 5 RP. And for this we go to the browser, write the browser, go in and write GTA 5 RP, scroll down, but I'm interested in the site, GTA 5 on RP, perhaps there are better, and other servers, I don't know, but let's go. Here we just need to download launcher. How to download it, click on the play button. Here is download launcher, downloading parallel. With the way the launcher is downloading, you can register an account. Let me remember it, something like this. It looks like you need to enter your email here, click register, then a link is sent to your email, click the complete registration button, and accordingly you are already directly in your account next. Go to the browser, then go to download and open the launcher. It looks something like this. Select where to install it, let's say in the disk. Click next, then, and create an icon on the working table. Then click end, click yes. You don't see it because it's protected by the administrator in general. The launch is in progress. We click yes, and accordingly, log into the account. Yes, log in now. And accordingly, let's start playing. But if you have GTA 5 installed, you can immediately play. If not, then you will need to buy it. For example, it is from I'm Rocking in the Epic Games launcher, or you can buy it on Steam or somewhere else. That's all with you. Bye bye.